If you want to charge a Redmi Buds 6 Pro, then there is only one way to do this. This device doesn't support wireless charging, so you will have to connect here a USB-C cable. And I'm gonna show you two ways. So here I have my charger from Motorola, 120 watts. And as you can see, when I'm connect this, here we can find LED indicator and everything is fine. You are not gonna damage your charging case or earbuds with powerful chargers. Don't worry about this one. And the second way, as you can see here, I have cable that is actually connected into my laptop. So you don't need to even get this power adapter or charging brick, however you call it. You can just simply take power source from your laptop, from your power bank, or for example, from your phone. And that's everything that you need to know. You will have to input both earbuds inside the case, then close it, connect cable, and this is how you can recharge your case and earbuds.